Water can flow, how it can crash. Be water, my friend.
So we have been to DR for 3 days now, and for 3 days we've been swimming. I've had a lot of sun exposure. Tonight's makeup look, what I'm going to do is put an aloe vera base. The lights went out again. Se fue la luz. As everybody can tell, this is the second time the lights go out. The first time when I had to go get this clipping, the lights was out. There we are.
Jesus Christ.
So the lights keep coming off and on tonight, which is normal. Anyhow, I got an aloe leaf, like I said. I'm going to cut it and rub some of the gel on my face and on this area. So let's get on with the show. I hope that it goes well. I hope that it goes well because I've never done this before. And I also hope that it's something that doesn't make me feel... So my biggest fear with this is that I'll feel dry afterward. So hopefully I don't. And if I do, I'll just let it dry out and then I'll apply some moisturizer. Yeah. Okay, so here it is, nice and gooey. I'm going to apply it on my face like this. I'm just trying to restore moisture since the sun really does hydrate your flesh. And I'm going to put some along here. And that seems like enough. I'm gonna let that dry out and see what happens, and then I can apply my makeup. So interesting, when the lights went out I was in the shower and it was just pitch black, and I'll put some on my back just cause. I'm gonna let that dry out a bit, see what happens. The lights went out again. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to finish this video today, so we'll try to do something about this and just give you an update later on. And oh, yay! It's still drying up. No, babe, I didn't turn anything on. Blame it on me. Technology. John, you have all the power now. You're the only one with the phone. Light. So the light is back. Let's see how long it lasts. The good news is that it gave me an opportunity to go to the front porch and get some fresh air, and so my face got dry. So I don't think it takes a long time for this to dry up if you are in an airy area. I grabbed it and put some more on my neck because my neck is really itchy. Anyhow, let's move on with my makeup. This is my everyday summer makeup, and I'm drawing my eyebrows right now because they get really wet and sweaty. This is my everyday summer makeup. Oh, shit. I'm not even annoyed. I just want to get this video done tonight. Let's see. I guess, let's see what happens outside during this time. So we are at the airport now. We are delayed by 4 hours, and now we are stranded here because after being here for hours and hours and dealing with the mess that was happening at JetBlue, they left us. The gates closed and we got here and we just saw our plane sitting there, and then we saw it leave and we couldn't believe it. We were here for hours and anyhow, a mess. Salud, señora. Anyhow, I tried to make a video a few nights ago in my husband's father's house, and they were experiencing blackouts, like mini blackouts throughout the night, so I didn't get a chance to finish that video, and I thought this is really nice lighting at the airport, and it'll be a good time for me to do my fresh face makeup for you. I'm gonna go ahead and start right away because honestly I've tried to film this a million times and it seems like I have the perfect setting right now. And fingers crossed that I actually get to complete this video. So first thing I'm going to do is put on a little color on my eyebrows. I like to follow the actual opacity of my natural brows, which are fuller here at the tail ends and more opaque here. So when I look here, I'm looking at myself. When I look there, I'm looking at you. I just started vlogging with my phone, and so it's hard not to look at myself. Anyhow, so I brush my brows first, and make sure they're not sweaty or oily, and then I apply the makeup. I am using L'Oreal Brow Stylist Designer eyebrow pencil in dark brunette, and I had to buy this one over here randomly at Sirena because I lost mine. I lost it the night that I was trying to film my makeup video. We went to the movies, and I took my makeup with me. I was ready to do the video in the bathroom at the movies, and I lost it. I lost my eyebrow brush, and so I had to buy a new one. I've never used this one before, but I really like it because if you can tell, it has an ash to it that I appreciate. Because sometimes when you get brunette, it has a red undertone, and I don't want a red undertone. It doesn't look right on me, and it doesn't go with my my natural roots, which are dark brown and silver. I have a lot of silver hair here. Anyhow, so continuing on with my eyebrows, I have to get really, really close in order to actually see myself. I don't have a pocket mirror with me, so I hope you don't mind that I'm all in your face. Anyhow, so do you see what I mean? It has like it's actually brown. It's actually like a muted ashy brown, and it doesn't say that. It says dark brunette, so I'm really impressed. So right there I could leave it alone because I do like the way my eyebrows already fade in. Like this is my natural eyebrow here fading into the color, but I'm gonna add a little bit more just because we're here already, and I might as well. And disperse the color with the brush and keep it moving. And that's it for my eyebrows. Now we're going to move on to lips. For my lip liner, I'm going to be using Milani Fuchsia. I love Milani products. I've said that a few times. And I'm going to be combining this pink lip liner with my DIY red lipstick that I made. I'll be sure to link the video if you are interested. I like the combo of pink lip liner and red lipstick. I think it looks nice. When they are blended together, they look really cool. So now I'm going to be adding my lipstick, and just a tiny bit goes a long way, so this is more than enough. Now with whatever remains on my finger here, I'm going to use it as a blusher. So I'm going to apply it right on the apples of my cheeks, right on the chubby part, and I'm going to apply with the finger that has the makeup, and with my bare finger, with my bare clean fingers over here, I'm going to blend. Add more as I wish, and blend to diffuse. I've always been a blush on the apples of the cheek person because the blush, how some people put it up this way, I don't know, it doesn't suit my face, so I keep it on the apples. And there's something about putting it on the apples of your cheeks that just instantly gives you life, instantly makes you, gives you a fresh, pretty look. Now we are moving on to my favorite part, the last part, sparkly eyes. I love this this eye pencil by NYX, Pure Gold Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX, and we are only putting this on our waterline. Again, I'm getting close to you. I hope you don't mind. Can you see it from this side to this side? Can you compare the two? This is a really, really subtle glow. If I feel that the inner eye area has too much of a glow, I smear it out with my finger gently, like so. But that's it. And just the sparkle that it adds to your eye, it's just life-giving, honestly. I really like this one. I've had this one forever. I don't think I'll ever need to change it unless it becomes unsanitary to continue using it. But anyhow, the left eye. And if you feel like you've added too much to the inner corners, then you could smear it out gently and you will be done. And we are done. That's it for the makeup look. I hope you like it. It's just a quick and easy fresh face makeup, skin makeup free, so you can use foundation if you want to, or concealer or spot concealer if you want to. In the summer, this is what I do. I don't use any skin makeup. It's very quick and easy and life-giving. Like I said, it just gives you a bit of something to the face, a pretty flush. What might change from time to time in the summer, is my lipstick shade. You know, I like pink and I like red and I like orange. In the fall and winter, I can do this again. The only thing that would change there is I spot conceal. Anyhow, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was a real authentic get ready with me. It was up and down and life happened and I had the opportunity to record. I hope that you like this different type of video from me. I'm trying to vlog more now. I did it over here for the first time in DR, so I have a vlog coming to you after I edit all that work. But I think I'm going to keep it up when I get back home to New York. I felt very confident vlogging over here, and I hope that I feel the same confidence in New York. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video.